This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A Pop Top is a Class C RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Veredis, sage, green slate interior, sleeps 2, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A Pop Top is built on a Ford Transit chassis and is powered by EcoBoost engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.